Good morning, children. Welcome to English class. Children, in our last session, we have discussed lesson 12, La to La, the top, part 2. The lesson is about a special top. Her name was La to La, and this top belongs to Ria. Ria loved Latla very much. She used to spin for the whole day, and even Latla also loved spinning round and round and round. One day, before going to bed, Ria kept Latla on the table, and she went for sleep. Latla doesn't like to sit very idle or calm, so Latla slid down and slowly rolled out of the door. And now Latula began to sing the song and dance in the air. It flew up and dancing. Hey, watch me, how I dance. Then a mosquito's family saw Latula and they were very much frightened. One of the mosquitoes said that, what's that? Granny Mosquito said that it's not a bee or it's not a mosquito. Then what is that? Then the teeny mosquito said that it must be a flying saucer, flashing the lights of red and yellow color. So they have feared, and Granny Mosquito said that, come on, it's a flying saucer, run away from here to save your lives. So the mosquito's family rushed out from there. Now Latla went into the living room. There in the living room, everything was so quiet. All the chairs and tables were so quiet and still. They were not moving. Latla saw them and yelled out that, watch my dance. By listening that sound, the grandpa sofa asked that, who is making that noise? Then the big chair says that tiny little thing, and big tables replied that it's just a top. But Latula cried out that I'm not just a top. I can dance. I'm a dancing top. But Big Table said that you just spin. You don't know how to dance. You just spin. But it said that yeah, I do, but I can't dance. Latulaska had landed on the smooth surface of the big table and started skating. So Big Table shouted that you stop doing skating, it hurts me. Now Latula slide off the table. Big Table shouted that catch her, but Latula sang you can't catch me and threw away from there through the window. So Small Table said that she had ran away through the window. Big Table shouted that catch her quickly. Now the big chair opened the door to catch her, followed by the big table, then followed by the big chair. I'm also coming. All the tables and chairs said that I'm coming too, I'm coming too. And all the tables and chairs, they opened the door and went out of the home, except the grandpa sofa and dining table are there in the house. They opened the door and they followed Latula. So Latula was happily singing and she is flying in the air, and she went out into the street. And even big tables and chairs also followed Latula to catch. Now Latula was singing the song, humming that catch me if you can. So this is about part 1. Now in part 2, Baglu, a thief, was looking to rob a house. He noticed that the Ria's house doors were opened. So he thought that it's very wonderful to see a house with open doors, and he went into the house. Now in the street, all the tables and chairs are chasing Latula, and Latula is humming that catch me if you can. So Latula spun around the big table, bounced on the big chair, as well as twickled the small tables, and she made circles around the dining chairs like that. It is irritating all the chairs and tables. Then Big Table shouted that catch the top. Now the dining chairs tried to catch, the big chair tried to catch, the small chair also tried to catch Latula, but it was not possible to them. Latula jipped around so fast that all they have fell into a heap. Then Latula decided to take rest for a while, as it has a lot of fun, dance, song, everything. So it was taking rest. Now the mosquito's family came there flying around it. They saw Latula taking rest on the ground. So the teeny mosquito shouted with shivering that the flying saucer. Now Granny Mosquito checked Latula. It checked and then decided and said that it's just a top. It is not a mosquito, not a bee, or not any harmful creature. It's just a top. All the mosquitoes shouted that wait, we'll teach you to chase us out. Now Latula woke up. It thought that now it's the time to go back home, and it flew off. The mosquitoes also followed the top. By that time, Buglu was very much busy in filling his bag with the stolen things. Latula flew into the house and bang, it hit the face of Buglu. Then the mosquitoes flew zoom into the face of Buglu, and all the chairs and tables, all they have fallen on Buglu. So Buglu fell onto the floor. Now the mosquitoes began to sting him. The tables and chairs, all they have fallen on him, so it was too heavy for him. Then Buglu yelled out, "Ee-ya, ya." He was shouting with pain. So painfully he is crying. Meanwhile, Ria woke up, her father woke up, and mother woke up. All they came very fastly into the living room. Then they have shouted that what's happening. Latula quickly rolled under the Ria's bed. Ria and her father came out, and they were asking Buglu that who are you and what are you doing here in our house? Buglu tried to give the answer. He said "Ir." He tried to get up, but the weight of table and chairs was so heavy that he couldn't get up from the floor. Then Latula saw a bag, Buglu's bag, so it spun around the bag. Ria noticed that and shouted out and cried out that there's the bag is what's there in that bag. Then they opened the bag and checked all the things what he has stolen and kept in his bag. So Ria cried out that thief, catch him. Latula has wriggled around under his feet, so Buglu fell down and her parents caught him. Ria cried out, "You are my smart little top," and Latula felt very happy and danced a happy little dance. That is about the story Latula the Top, and this beautiful lesson was written by Deepa Agarwal. Children, now I'll show you the video of this lesson Latula the Top part 1 and part 2. Watch the video and understand the story well, children.
Latula the Top. Latula was a very special top. Red and yellow lights flashed when she went round and round. Latula belonged to Ria. Ria made her spin all day. Latula loved it. "I'm Latula, the dancing top," she sang. At night, Ria left Latula on a table. Latula didn't like to sit still. She hopped down slowly and quietly rolled out of the door. She began to spin round and round. She flew into the air. "Hey!" she called. "Watch me dance in the air." "Who's that?" buzzed the mosquitoes.
"It's not a mosquito. It's not a bee. Who is it?"
asked Granny Mosquito. "It's a flying saucer!" cried Teeny Mosquito. "See the lights!"
"Flying saucer! Fly for your lives!"
Granny Mosquito buzzed. "Silly!" Latula laughed. She dropped down and rolled into the living room. The tables and chairs were quiet and still. Latula sang. "Want to watch me dance?" Grandpa Sofa opened an eye.
"Who is making this noise?"
That shiny little thing.
"It's just a top." "I'm not just a top. I'm a dancing top."
Tops don't dance. They just spin.
"Oh yes, they do. You can't even move a leg."
I can too.
The big table yelled. "You can't do this." Latula flew up and landed on top of the big table. She skated on its smooth back. "Stop!" cried the big table. "It hurts!" Latula slid off the table. "Catch her!" yelled the big table. "You can't!" Latula sang. She flew out through the window. "She has run away!" screamed the small table. "Catch her quick!" The big chair opened the door. The big table came out. The big chair followed. "I'm coming too," said the small table.
And I!
And
And I!
said all the tables and chairs and ran out of the door. All except Grandpa's sofa and the dining table. Catch me if you can, Latula hummed. Buglu was looking for a house to rob. The tables and chairs had left the door open. Buglu saw that. Wonderful, he said, and slipped inside. The tables and chairs chased Latula. Catch me if you can, hummed Latula. She spun around the big table. She bounced on the big chair. She tickled the small table. She made circles around the dining chair's legs. Catch the top, yelled the big table. The dining chairs tried. The big chair tried. The small table tried. But Latula zipped around so fast that they all fell into a heap. Latula decided to rest for a while. The mosquito family were flying around too. They saw Latula resting on the ground.
The flying saucer!
Teeny Mosquito shivered,
Let's check.
said Granny Mosquito.
It's just the top.
She cried.
Wait, we'll teach you to chase us out.
Time to go home. She flew off. The mosquitoes followed. Buglu was busy filling his bag with stolen things. Latula flew back into his face. The mosquitoes flew zoom into his face. The tables and chairs went slap into Buglu. Buglu fell flat on the floor. The mosquitoes began to sting him. The tables and chairs Ew! Yow! Yelled Buglu. Ria woke up. Her mother and father woke up. What's happening? They cried. Latula quickly rolled under Ria's bed. Ria and her mother and father came running out. Who are you? They asked Buglu. What are you doing here? Said Buglu. He tried to get up, but the tables and chairs were too heavy. Latula saw his bag. She rolled out and spun around his bag.
He's got a bag. What's in that bag?
Buglu tried to grab his bag and run.
Thief! Catch him!
Latula whirled under his feet. Buglu fell down and was cut.
My smart little dog.
Latula danced a happy little dance.
Okay, that is the story about Latula the top. Hope you all enjoyed the story, children. Now with this, we'll close today's session. Coming to today's year homework, read Latula the top part 2. Okay children, that's it for today. See you in the next session. Bye children.